We are Wisconsin PBS Kids.
This is a test. This station will...
The fun you can trust on the web. Wisconsin PBS Kids at wpt.org/kids.
Did you ever wish for a little more excitement in your life?
Yeah!
It's pretty cool. You'll find what you're looking for on Arthur.
Let's see how it turns out.
Weekdays at 4:30 on Wisconsin PBS Kids.
Zaboomafoo is made possible in part by the makers of Danimals Yogurt, proud to help kickstart your child's growth and development for life.
Zaboomafoo was made possible by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.